What up, YouTube? It's your girl Shyreeta21, back like I never left, because I didn't. I just haven't posted anything new, but that's changing for 2021 because I have decided that for 2021 I am going to do a braid challenge. It's going to be a DIY braid protective style challenge for 2021. We all know 2020 has been a crazy year. I don't even need to go over that, but when we first went into quarantine, I was like, okay, this is cool, you know, especially since we don't really have anywhere to go. I'll just twist my hair up or braid my hair up. I'll keep my bonnet on, you know, we'll just handle it like protective styling because we don't have anywhere to go. And I was really focusing on like just low manipulation styles. And I just started feeling busted. I was like, I mean, it's cool that my hair is protected, but like, do I gotta look dusty just because I'm not going anywhere? So I definitely wanted to kind of switch it up and at the same time not necessarily do anything crazy to my hair. So quarantine was really challenging. It was taking a lot not to take the scissors to my hair, go buy a box of dye, go buy a relaxer. Like I was like ready to do any and everything to my hair, but I was thinking about making these drastic changes to my hair. All I could honestly think about was like, you don't want to do anything to stagnate your growth just because you're bored. And I'm really proud of the length. I'll insert a picture of the last time I got my hair straightened, which was the end of 2019. And I'm just very excited about the growth and very excited to see how much is going to grow more, you know, like where is it going to go from here. And I didn't really want to lose that because I was bored for a few months. So that's when I really started like trying to braid my hair up and to keep myself away from it. And to be quite honest, for most of 2020 my hair has been braided up as well, but I wasn't necessarily focusing on it as a challenge. So now here we are, we get ready to go into 2021 and I am really excited about that. I'm not calling anything because 2020 was supposed to be the year and it didn't happen, but I am very excited. And I think one of the main things to take away from 2020 is that you can have all the plans you want to, but you have to be ready and able to adapt to changes because you just never know what's coming your way. So for me, that's where these braids fall in. If my hair is done, then whatever comes my way, I'm ready for it because it's the that I'm wearing now. I did for my birthday on November 21st. I was very motivated because I wanted to look cute for my birthday, but this style took forever. So I kind of wanted to start the video by showing this style just in case I decided to get motivated to do it again in 20. It was too much, it really was. But maybe if I do it again because I did it once, I will learn my lessons from what I did the first time. This style is 3-layer tribal braids or 3-layer cornrows. I have 1 layer in the back. And I ought to be ashamed for showing you guys because I really don't know what the back of my head looks like, but I know it has grown out a lot. So that's 1 layer, and then I have a layer on the top, and then I have the top layer. So it's 3 layers, and it's all cornrows going down. And I love this style because it was like the braids were like thick. You know, I like the fullness of the braids. I like the size of these braids because normally I do like jumbos. And you know how when you wear jumbos and it feels like you got like 10 braids in your head. So I did like, you know, the flow of having these smaller braids in my head. But honestly, if I did individuals this size all over my head, it would have been faster than doing these cornrows because it was crazy. Especially trying to cornrow the back of my head where I can't hold a mirror and braid at the same time. So, but I would love to do it again. It's just there's always challenges for doing your own hair as opposed to somebody else doing it because you just can't see your head the same way, and it just takes way longer to braid your own hair. But I like to braid my own hair for one. In the situation we're in now, I don't have to worry about social distancing, but I also like the fact that, you know, if I'm pulling a braid right here in the front of my hair around my edges, I know how tight I'm pulling it, so I don't have to worry about somebody snatching all my edges out. I can braid my hair at 2 o'clock in the morning if I feel like it. It's on my time. So personally, I like to do my own braids. So doing some creative styles. I love watching Instagram and YouTube braiders and all of the new things that they come up with. So I'm just going to go through my feed and pick braid styles to recreate on myself and show you in the process how I do it, so that if you want to do it too, you can follow along with me. And hopefully you can give me some suggestions of the next style and show me your progress too. I am on Instagram. Shyreeta21 is the handle, just the same as the YouTube channel, so hit me up. But we'll see how this goes for the year. Hopefully you guys follow along with me. Leave me a comment down below if you're down for the challenge. And pray for me for this takedown, because I got to get these braids out before the new year so that we can start the next braid. So thanks y'all for joining me, and stay up. It's 2021.